Good morning, my dear students. Let us continue in grammar. That is means story writing. Today we are going to see the topic story writing. So, how to be write the story? Because story question having that 5 marks, and so 5 marks to achieve. So, how to be write the story? How to narrate? How is the beginning? And the vocabulary and grammar, appropriate points, logical order, conclusion. Because these points, if you cover, so you will get the 5 marks. Title and beginning 1 mark, vocabulary and grammar 1 mark, appropriate points 1 mark, logical order 1 mark, and conclusion 1 marks. So total 5 marks. So now here, how to write a short story? You must remember a short story is work of fiction or imagination that is usually expressed, written in an easily understandable parametrical structure with natural flow of speech. This is the story writing. Means you must remember a short story is work of fiction or imagination that is usually expressed, written in an easily understandable parametrical structure with natural flow of speech. So typically your short story has 5 key elements. Now if you are going to write the story, so how many how many keys are there? There are 5 key elements. And if you cover these 5 key elements, so you will be means there will be a suitable story and it will be a good structure of story. So now see here, and which are the 5 key elements? Number 1, characters. Number 2, setting. Number 3, plot. Number 4, conflict. And number 5, theme. So these are the 5 elements, and you have to cover these 5 elements to get the 5 marks. So your story must be, what you can say, natural flow of speech, and means your beginning of the story must be good. The vocabulary and grammar must be, their appropriate points, and logical order, because you having only the points, and using the points, using the hints, just you have to imagine, and you have to logic, and then you have to write the story, and at the end how it should be the conclusion of the story, because you will get the 1 mark for the conclusion of story. Now see here, number 1, characters. These are the 5 key elements. Number 1, characters, setting, plot, conflict, and theme. So the characters, remember, fewer is better is the golden rule. Fewer is the better is the golden rule. Means short. Fewer means very short story. Means just to the point. You have to write the story to the point. And these should be a protagonist, means lead role, and main characters who participate in the main action. This, remember, fewer is better is the golden rule, and this should be a protagonist, means that is a lead role, and main characters who are participating in the main action. So all characters must be covered by you, and for whom you have to give the weightage, and who are the supporters. So you should be, keep in mind while you are going to write the story. Now see here, number 2, setting. So how should be setting of the story writing? Setting, time, frame, and place constitute setting of a short stories. Time, frame, and place means once upon a time. Suppose you are going to write a story. So once upon a time means a particular time, and that is most important. time frame and place. Constitute setting of short stories. The setting is often decorated with a description of scene and it be brief, poetic and clear. So you know what is it? Setting is also most important. The time frame and place, and also it should be decorated with a description of scene and it be brief, poetic and clear. Setting must be, what you can say, brief and poetic and clear. Number 3, plot. So a plot has start, body, end that are linked sequentially by events and characters' actions. Plot. So that means your setting and plot. So plot, what is a plot? A plot has start, body, end. So means that these points are most important because these points linked sequentially by events and character actions. It is the plot. Number 4, conflict. So now remember, conflict gives life to short stories. Conflict gives life to short stories. It can be between characters, thoughts, emotions, beliefs or anything. So conflicts also must be in your story because conflict gives a life to a short stories, and also it can be between characters, thoughts and emotions. Now see here, last one is their theme. The central idea or the main belief. Central idea or the main belief presented by a short story is called the theme. What is the last point of the 5 elements? That is means the theme. And what is meant by theme? Theme means the central idea or the main belief presented by a short story is called the theme. Main belief. It is skeleton or frame of your short story that is decorated by the plot, setting, conflict and characters. The theme means that theme is a skeleton or frame of your short story that is decorated by the plot, setting, conflict and characters. And that is means unleash your creativity. Unleash your creativity. So these points must be covered by you while you are writing a story, because story question having 5 marks. Beginning, your beginning must be good. Then vocabulary and grammar means to the point you have to write. Your the words must be, what you can say, polish, and also appropriate points you have to arrange the sequentially the points, logical order and conclusion, because these points are giving you the marks, 1 marks. So then you will get the 5 marks. So this is the way to write a short story, and these are the 5 elements, and so you should keep in mind these are 5 elements and what these points say to you, and this is the means to way how to write a short story. So now keep in mind, and this is about the writing a short story. So I will give you one more story for your practice. Thank you.